Hey guys, what's up? It's time for Moto Banana's Banana Time. Today we have a tutorial for you. First we're going to show you a clip of how to bend your front brake lever.
And I got it on camera. That's what you get.
Then we're going to show you how to fix it. So you're going to need, if you have a Kawasaki, you're going to need a 10mm. Alright. And then you want to make sure that your spring doesn't fly out when you take your brake lever off. So a spare is like $6 online. So we have the messed up one that I broke and the new one. We've greased up the spring here with whatever this stuff Kyle has is. Alright. So, I don't know if you can see better this way. You'll put the spring right in there. Alright, and then put the spring into the lever, slide it in, just like so. Get your bolt back in there. And start twisting.
And then make sure that still pulls good, and then from there adjust.
Screw that in a little
Adjust.
bit more.
We'll adjust it to where you're comfortable with.
Okay. And just like that, you've got a 5-10 minute project depending on how long it takes to get your tools together. Alright, well, this has been Banana Time, and this is Moto Banana's garage with lots of projects going on right now. Stay tuned.